Hello everyone, we're only a month away now from the Advanced Manufacturing Summit running August 25th to 27th. Autodesk is hosting this free virtual event for those keen on learning new techniques for products like Fusion 360, Moldflow, or PowerMill, and there'll be numerous sessions on solving challenges and staying ahead of industry trends. Our team here at AMS 360 will be helping you stay ahead by showcasing the power of automating your subtractive CAM solution. In this video, we have shortened the duration but maintain a time clock to offer true sense of calculation time. To oversimplify the outcome, you can achieve a safe, reliable, and repeatable workflow of at least 90% of your complex toolpath programming, all within about a dozen or so mouse clicks. Be sure to note the automated finish machining of tip tool axis flats at the end of this video, because we'll be speaking to this and a number of multi-axis considerations during our full presentation. Over the years, we've supported and consulted with numerous customers across sectors like aerospace, tool and die, and mold tool manufacturing, each of which having the common goal of increasing productivity, helping to bridge a skills gap and labor shortage, and controlling the workflow through standardization. We look forward to testing our solution in 3 industrial relevant cases that will be adaptable to nearly any assumed workflow. Please join us for this 3-day event and be sure to tune in to our segment on August 27th. You'll find the registration link in the title description of this video, along with our contact information. Thank you for your time.